Hey everyone, you know what is the secret of your future in your life? Don't think secret, it is called secret. I think you don't know. The secret of your future, that is called daily routine. It is depend on your future. So you remember, you follow your daily routine, but don't share with anyone. So a big thanks to everyone to took this time to do some activities in front of you. And now we are really going to enjoy because we are spending this time with together. And now I am going to sharing about some of the most important topic, that is called daily routine. And the personality and interesting person standing in front of you, it's me, Rahul Raure. And you know, my day started from earlier morning because just after half hour my tuition. When I get up, just then I check my cell phone because I saw some notification, because suddenly our teachers give a notification in WhatsApp ki that's today your tuition is closed. So that's why I check my routine in first of all. After get up, then after I go in my tuition, that is mathematics tuition, because it is very necessary and important for me. And there I spend my time 1.5 hour. After spending my time and after returning my home, then I again get up in proper way, because then after I take a breakfast and doing a study. After taking breakfast and by I am doing a study, because my exam is the nearest, very nearest. I think it is provided in 4th May. And then after, when my study is going on 1.5 hour, after that I use again my cell phone, because it is for mind freshing with me. But occasionally I go my friend rooms, and there I do discuss what is going on in your tuition and in your classroom. Then after when our discussion end, after that I come in my room, and after that I also doing a study what I did study in yesterday. I go through it. Then after my food is prepared by my brothers, but occasionally I prepared. And after taking lunch, then after I take a little bit. It's I think 1 hour. Nap. It's a little, and then before nap I put on alarm only 1 hour. But suddenly something happened, so that's why I get up after 1 hour, because someone called, like my father and mother and friend. So that's why I get up. But when I get up, then after I also phrase, because suppose I get up just then I will do study. It is not possible for me. So that's why I phrase. And after that, later on, I will do study and think what I get homework in yesterday, and now what I will do. But suppose that time I have no any homework and presentation to prepare for our tuition. So that time I doing a call someone like my friend, and there I doing a practice of English, doing a conversation like. When I came in English at our place, you know, when you give a time in English at our place, then after you earn some skills. So that's why I will spend in English at our place. In this institute, I only focus on my activity, because I think many institute I learn theory, but they don't provide. So that's why in English at our place I focus on activity, because activities is very needed for every person, and it is helpful for your future. In English at our place I spend my time 2.5 hours. Then again, later on, when I am to go my room, whilst I go to market, purchase some vegetables with my friend. And my friend think and decided कि what today I purchase, and then I make a discuss what think needed for today's. And after doing a market, so then after I returning my home, returning my home, then I have a lots of work like prepare dinners, and before prepare dinners then I have work to wash the pot because it is very necessary for preparing your dinners. And then when I prepare my dinners that times, and whilst I am doing a practice of English, I think you want to know how, because when I make my dinners that time I call my friend. I think that time I have a time to doing a conversation in English with my friend, and my friend also take interest, and that is benefit for me and my friends. And they have also time on same time when he was a prepare dinners. After preparing dinners, later on I take it, just take it. I also use cell phone, and then I check. I like Khan sir and Vivek Vindra and Ayan sir. Someone uploaded a video and I will watch. And then I watch these videos because it is very helpful for my mind phrasing and knowledge. And my main motto to watch use cell phone for knowledge and study purpose, because my exam is the nearest. It is very helpful for me. And some institute provide doing a text in WhatsApp this is important for your exam, so that's why I check it. When I use the cell phone, then I feel and I don't feel tired. Now I needed to doing a study. Onwards I do study because but when I feel very tired, then after I sleep. So that's all over. Thank you everyone.
And the good news is, literally you transform yourself.
Yes.
Right? Because I have mentioned a lot of things that you have improved, that you did use a little bit of key, but apart from that you tried to remove it. There are some sections I will let you know. Okay. Let's clap once again.
Thank you everyone.
Great. Let's move on to the next candidate. Come on. Switch regions off teacher. Come on.